Hi everyone, my name is Mark Jones. I'm a member of the Learning and Education team here at Sage, and I'll be taking you through today's on-demand webinar session, Sage for Accountants, Managed Subscriptions. So today's agenda, we're going to look at practice and client subscriptions, the client record and folders, adding and cancelling subscriptions, adding clients, and how to access Compliance for Business. So let's jump straight in and have a live demonstration of these agenda features. So here we can see I've logged into my Sage for Accountants, and the first thing I want to show you is how to access your practice's free copy of Accounting and Payroll. All I need to do is scroll to the top, hover over Client Management, and then choose from the drop-down Accounting or Payroll, which you can launch straight into for your own practice use, and that's free of charge. When you want to manage subscriptions for your clients, all you need to do is launch into a client record. So let's do that. So if I go to this client marketing agency, I can access all of the products from the product tab. And then all I need to do is click on Manage Subscriptions. And the available subscriptions will actually load up. But I can access this from my client list. Right from the client in the client list, I can click on Add a Product, and all the available subscriptions will come up. So we can see here this client has been created as a sole trader. So the full range of bookkeeping licenses has been available. So we've got Accounting Individual Free and Accounting Individual Paid. And if I scroll down a bit, we can see the full bookkeeping range. I've got Accounting Start, Accounting Standard, and Accounting Plus. And I've got the ability to click on Compare Features, which will open in a new tab, allowing me to compare and contrast the features in Accounting Start, Standard, and Plus. And then at the bottom here, I've got my payroll and Compliance for Business, all available to add into a subscription. So let's add some subscriptions to this client. So if I click on Accounting Standard and click on Select Subscription, you can see on the right-hand side all the pricing plan changes and any Sage point changes available for you to select. If I scroll down, let's choose a number of employees to add on to a payroll. Select that subscription. And again, we can see the update to the pricing plan and any changes to the points. When I'm happy with that, all I need to do is click on Apply Selections. We then get a notification that those changes have been applied, and we can click on Go to Client Record to see the new subscriptions back in the client list. So we can now see the new subscriptions under the Product tab, and we can launch directly into the accounting or the payroll. Again, either from the client record, or if we click Clients at the top left, we can see the accounting and payroll are available directly from the client list. Now, let's say we potentially want to cancel a product subscription. If we click on the client again, and then go to Manage Products under the Product tab, we can then click on Manage Subscriptions, And in the payroll, we can see all of the new subscriptions that are there, but under the payroll, if I click cancel subscription, we will now see that this has been marked as cancellation selected. And on the right-hand side, we can see that this is now going to be an expiring subscription. We can see any changes to the pricing plan and changes to the Sage points. If I click on apply those selections, we now need to have a quick read of the important information, choose a reason for the cancellation, and tick the checkbox that you've read that you have downloaded any required data. And then when you're happy, click on cancel subscription. Now, once cancelled, if we go back to the subscriptions, after we've read the quick information that the changes were applied, if we go to the client record, and then click on Manage Subscriptions, you'll now see under Payroll that this is due to expire today and that you can resubscribe. So if I come back to this tomorrow, this will have a reactivate option, and that reactivate option is available for 6 months after the cancellation. Now I just want to show you that if you are creating your client from scratch, there are different subscription types available depending on how you set them up. So if we're going to create a new client from scratch, if we click on Add Client and choose whether you want to create this client in a new folder or in an existing folder in your client list, and then click Next. So you can see here, choosing individual will only give you access to compliance for business, and that is personal tax. If you choose an organization, you'll be able to choose the full range of accounting and payroll and compliance. If you choose an organization and then set it up as a sole trader, you will have access to the individual tiers for digital bookkeeping, both the free and the paid versions, and also compliance for business. So I'll show you how that works. If we now select a client that's been set up as an organization, if we choose this client Mark's Demo, under the Products tab, you'll be able to choose from the full product range. You can see, because this has been set up as an organization, you can see the full product range of bookkeeping licenses, accounting, accounting start, and accounting plus, as well as your payroll. And if we scroll down, you have final accounts and corporation tax. If we choose to add those on, again, you can see any changes in points, apply the selections. It's free of charge, and that will enable you to access final accounts and corporation tax for your business. Once the changes have been applied, if we go to the client record, you can now see you can launch straight into final accounts and corporation tax. So that's the end of the live demonstration. Just want to go through Sage Membership for you. So Sage Membership unlocks award-winning software, expert human advice, and a community dedicated to support your practice. Clients can become Sage members too, receiving expert human advice and tools that go beyond the software. So as members of Sage, you have the opportunity to unlock membership for your clients when collaborating through accounting or payroll. So they can belong to a community where they can network, get advice, and grow their skills. Sage membership helps you practice and your small businesses flow. One of the key benefits of Sage membership is the Membership Masterclass. It's a 4-step practice success plan, and it's at the heart of this series of masterclass sessions. It's been designed not as a one-size-fits-all approach, but as a series of logical progressions that provide a framework to develop something specifically for you. Through Sage for Accountants, this gives you access to 4 hours of on-demand CPD-approved masterclasses that help you build your practice success plan. You gain accreditations for each course, and you can use your plan to meet your goals, from winning new clients and engaging existing ones to mastering MTD for ITSA. It recognizes that your firm is unique and that your clients cover a spectrum of abilities and attitudes towards their financial administration. It allows you to work collaboratively on your approach, both internally and with the support you may need from us, to make sure that MTD ITSA is something that you are in control of. So as you go through the steps of plan and prepare, practice readiness, client readiness, deliver and succeed, it's important to us for you to feel that you have the expert human advice and support that you can count on to ensure that you deliver your plan and succeed. You can also tap into talks and articles for the best business advice on everything from managing money to people beyond the software. And you can access free learning resources and certifications for your practice and your clients, and also share knowledge and gain insights through a community of industry peers. So just want to go through the support that we offer. Each channel is fully supported. If you do want digital help, wherever you are in the software, you've always got a help button at the top right that'll allow you to look at our Help Center articles, or you can use the online Help Center. If you do want to speak to your dedicated practice success manager, they're always on the phone on 0191 479 5999. Or if you don't want to use the online web chat and you want to speak to a technical support advisor, they're available 24/7, and you can ring them on 0191 479 5988. Thanks very much for watching today, and hopefully I'll speak to you again on one of our next series of online on-demand webinars. Thank you.